Assalamualaikum my friends, welcome back to Chokdar Kitchen once again. Today I'm going to make chicken finger. To make the chicken finger, I took the one chicken breast and you see I make the slice of the chicken breast like that, long slice, and this is not too thick, not too thin. So now I'm gonna do the marination for that. To do that one, first of all, I'm gonna put salt, garlic powder, nearly 1 teaspoon. I'm adding ginger powder, nearly 1 teaspoon. I'm adding tasty salt. This is optional. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. There won't be any problem. Along with that, I'm gonna use soya sauce, nearly 2 teaspoons. Now I'm gonna give it a nice mix. I just add nearly 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So you can see my marination is ready. Now I'm gonna leave that one at least 10 minutes. So in the meantime, my oil will be ready. So see you after 10 minutes. So my friends, now you can see I took the breadcrumbs. If you want, you can use the white color one. I got the orange color breadcrumb, so I'm using that one. And along with the breadcrumbs, I use chicken biryani spice. You will get down from the super shop. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, there is no problem. And also I'm adding pinch of salt in it, pinch of tasty salt, and the azwine, pinch of azwine. So now I need to mix down nicely. So my friends, I took nearly 3 eggs here. I beat them nicely. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the chicken piece from here. I'll dip it in the egg, then I'll coat it with the breadcrumbs. Then I'm gonna fry it. My friend, now you can see I coated all the my chicken pieces like that. So I hope you understand how to coat that one. Now I'm gonna fry them. Let's try the small one. The oil is ready. So my friend, my chicken strips or chicken finger is ready. Now I'm gonna take this off from the oil, and remember one thing, you need to fry this one in medium flame, and it took me around nearly 10 minutes. So if you put the high flame, what will happen, you will burn the breadcrumbs, but inside the chicken will be raw. So make sure fry that one in a medium flame. My friend, now you can see my today's special recipe, chicken finger or chicken strips is ready for all of you. I hope you will try that one at home, and don't forget to share your experience with me, and see you next time with one more recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.